Let's assemble a 5-star Sconnie chair. These are the parts that will come in the box. First, flip the base upside down. Insert the casters or glides into the holes at the end of each leg. Flip the base right side up. Insert the pneumatic cylinder into the center of the base with the silver end facing up. Loosen the knob of the optional foot ring by turning counterclockwise. Slide the foot ring onto the pneumatic cylinder. Lift the foot ring to the desired height and secure it by turning the knob clockwise. Position the hole in the bottom of the seat directly over the top of the pneumatic cylinder. Sit on the chair to press the seat, base, and pneumatic cylinder together.